ideas. Good morning, good morning. We are Doobie N.M. This first song is going to be Every Morning. The hours turn into days, and the days into a murky haze. Echo chamber in my mind. Cerebellum in disarray, and my confidence has ran away, and my heart song getting darker every day. So I don't think I can get up every morning, but I have to. And when I finally do, it makes me feel brand new. That's until tomorrow. Kinsey, go wanna get busy. Nobody has time for me. Can I trust my friend with family? I don't know who's my friend or foe. But when will those storm clouds end? I don't wanna keep on playing pretend. I just wanna go back who I was before. I don't think I can get up every morning, but I have to. And when I finally do, it makes me feel brand new until tomorrow. I don't think I can get up every morning, but I have to. Oh, and when I finally do, it makes me feel brand new. That's until tomorrow. All right now. So that was Every Morning. Thank you, thank you. It was written by yours truly and also Zach on saxophone and keys. This next song is going to be a very funky song called K&B. As we do the song, I'm going to introduce some of these lovely cats here on stage joining me. So let's get funky. Kick drum, ready. Hot hat, let's go, let's go. There was a man named Norman Blue, was a king over one town or two. He was a little strange since the very day that he caught that thing. They got a rock and roll button, his brother James. When he picked it up and spun around, rocked that groove to the underground. They made a whole new kind of sound. They got the hottest band in town. That is what they want. King Norman Blue. They play that super funky kind of groove. He made it loud. He made it fun. And when they play, the people always come. And when you're hypnotized, that's when you realize the kind of funkified leader that he is. He never could tie his shoes, but he always sneezed and said, "Achoo!" He played for Mino and that's kazoo. He got sisters that live in Kalamazoo. That is what they want. King Norman Blue. Play that super funky kind of groove. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, woo! Give it funky. I like that. What y'all think? You know what? I got something. Said Norman Blue got a whole new funky, different kind of groove. And if you want to rock it, you gotta get some attitude. Norman Blue, just a dude that's got a funky kind of groove. And if you want to rock it, you gotta get some attitude. Come on, now Norman Blue got a whole new funky, different kind of groove. And if you want to rock it, you gotta get some attitude. Norman Blue, just a dude that's got a funky kind of groove. And if you want to rock it, you gotta get some attitude. Come on. Norman Blue got a whole new funky, different kind of groove. And if you want to rock it, you gotta get some attitude. Norman Blue, just a dude that's got a funky kind of groove. And if you want to rock it, you gotta get some attitude. Everybody up in the house, let me see you clap your hands. Everybody up in the house, let me see you do a little dance. Party people left and right, we can do this thing all night. This is the groove you don't want to end. Say hello, kick drum, kick drum, kick drum. You know what? I think it's time for us to have a little bass in the place. What y'all think? Mo bass, mo bass, mo bass in the place. Say it, mo bass, mo bass, mo bass, mo bass. Aha! On bass, we got Crisco. Tear it up. Nasty. You know what? Kick drum, 2, ready, go. What y'all think about Crisco? He all right? Ha ha. You know what? And his brother on guitar is Kenzie. So y'all, let me hear y'all say, go Kenzie, go Kenzie, go. Go Kenzie, go Kenzie, go. Play that thing, play that thing. Go Kenzie, go Kenzie, go. What y'all think about Kenzie? Is he all right? 4th position, am I right? All right. And on keys and saxophone, we got Zach. Play that thing. don't know if y'all noticed, but he also got a saxophone in his hand. Multi-talented. Yeah, blow that horn, man. And on drums, we got Spencer. Come on, 2, 3, go! One time, ha! Spencer, all right? Ha. And I guess, I might want to tell y'all who I am. My name is Doobie, because I'm groovy. Like Scooby. All right. I feel like busting loose, busting loose, busting loose. I feel like busting loose, busting loose, busting loose. I feel like busting loose, busting loose, busting loose. I feel like busting loose. Man, hit me 2 times. 1 time. 4 times. 1 time. 3 times. On the 1. Good God. Oh, we're gonna do this all morning. You know what? Kick drum. Kick drum. Different kind of group, and if you won't like it, you're gonna get some attitude. Norman Blue, just a dude that's got a funky kind of group, and if you won't like it, you gotta get some attitude. Norman Blue got a whole new funky, different kind of groove. If you want to rock it, you gotta get some attitude. Norman Blue, just a dude that's got a funky kind of groove. If you want to rock it, get some attitude. Get up, if you don't know. Get up, stay on the scene like a sex machine. Get up, if you don't know. Get up now, stay on the scene like a sex machine. Use your feeling, sure as you're born. Get it, I know. Right on, right on. Got the feeling like it got to have it. Get up like a sex machine. Get up, you don't know. Get up now, get on up. Stay on the scene sex machine. Get up now, get on up. Get up now. Stay on the scene. You know what? Go to the bridge, go to 4, go to 4. Give me 5 on 5. Woo! Get up now, get on now. Get up now, get on now. Stay on the scene like a sex machine. Get up, get on up. Get up now, get on up. Stay on the scene like a sex machine. Kick drum, kick drum. You know, I would do the splits now, but I don't know. Do y'all have insurance here? I don't know how that works if I get injured. We ain't gonna do no splits. But you know what I do have?
I'm ready.
Samples.
Sup.
Good God. No, I'm blue. Got a whole new funky, different kind of groove. And if you wanna rock it, you gotta get some attitude. Norman Blue got a whole new funky, different kind of groove. And if you wanna rock it, you gotta get some attitude. Everybody up in the house, let me see y'all clap your hands. Everybody up in the house, let me see you do the little dance. Party people left and right, we can do this thing all night. This is groove, but you don't wanna end. Say hello to my little friend. We're gonna do one more cover. I wanna thank y'all for letting us be ourselves again. I wanna thank y'all for letting us be ourselves again. Again, we are Doobie N.M. And we live to get funky. Before we go, I want y'all to again give it up for all these lovely cats here on the stage, y'all. On guitar, we got Kinsey. And on keys and sax, we got Zach. And on bass, we got Crisco. And on drums, we got Spencer. All right, and I'm Doobie, y'all. Y'all been wonderful. You know what? Get low, get low. Get low, get low. Get low, get low. Get low, get low. Get low, low. Get low, get low. Get low, get louder. Get louder now. Get louder. Get louder now. Get louder now. A little louder now. A little louder now. A little louder now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Norman Blue got a whole new funky, different kind of groove. If it wants to rock it, you gotta gotta get some attitude. Norm blue, got a whole new funky, different kind of groove. If it wants to rock you, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you.